the script. So if it is laterally inverted, what should be your answer?
A.
A. It should be A, right? That means right side would be left side, isn't it?
Yeah.
It should be laterally
I
inverted. It should not be upside down. I
I
wrote
don't know
the
why
feedback.
it is.
I wrote the feedback. Did you get the email?
No.
Not yet.
Mhm.
Hmm. Okay, so this mistake is clear to you. You understood that one. Then next, which one? Yeah, this one. Magnifying glass, huh? Correct type of lens and the nature of the image. In magnifying glass, what we get? In magnifying glass, what type of lens we are using? Converging, right? And it's
Mm,
upright. We are not getting inverted one. It's see in your notes, magnifying glass, is it inverted or upright? The properties are also written.
yes, sir.
Yeah, Monica, have you got it?
No, sir. The
Your
email I didn't get.
yeah, the notes you have,
Notes. Yes, I got that.
your notes, your writing notes.
Yes, sir.
So what's written there about magnifying glass?
Mm,
There are three properties, right?
upright,
Yeah.
magnified, and vertical.
So it should be upright. You gave inverted. Got it?
Yes. Yes,
Understood?
sir. Yes, sir.
So why you gave inverted? Forgot?
Mm,
Forgot?
I mix I mixed up with the projector and the
Okay.
magnifying
So
glass.
this is not a problem. You just started, right? So
Yes.
again you will not do mistake, right?
Yes, sir.
Your mistakes are making you stronger, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know it, that's the main thing, right? You know it, but you forgot, messed up.
I confused, sir.
Yeah, now it's clear to you.
Yes, sir.
And the diagram you see, that is helping you, right? In diagram, you got it upright. The next, so it's about 30 centimeter in front of a plane mirror. So what is the property of plane mirror? This is a tricky question, right?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Just the tricky is wording tricky. This one is saying you the distance between, you see, the image size and 30 centimeter from the object. The image is the same size. So we have the properties. The image size should be same. That part you're correct. But they are asking you, look, the distance. You see, they are saying which statement describe the image of God? So the image distance is 30 centimeter from the mirror, but image distance is 60 centimeter from the object. Is it clear?
Oh, yes, sir.
Because it's not asking about from the mirror, it's asking from the object. So from object to mirror 30 centimeter, from mirror to image another 30 centimeter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm writing here. Then you take the snap and send to our group. From object to mirror 30 centimeter. Then from mirror to image another 30 centimeter, right?
Mm,
Yeah. Mahi, no,
Yes,
Mahi,
sir.
you might have the same mistake. So
Yes, sir.
you
I also did that.
understand, yeah, yeah. So it's tricky, right? Mahi,
Yes, sir.
more tricky. Total distance. You are not tested from beyond your knowledge, right? But depth depth of the question is more, right? You have to give a deeper drive, isn't it?
Yes,
That's
sir.
to catch the answer. That's the main point here, right? So have more breath to get a deeper drive, right?
Yes, sir.
Total distance from object to image, from object to
Yeah.
object to image is 60 centimeters. So we have the collection of questions. How many questions we gave for MCQ worksheet?
mm,
40.
20. Okay.
How many questions I gave you? So many questions, right? It's a big topic. So we have lots of collection of questions. See, so your past paper solving is also done. Okay, by this test paper, by this worksheet, all the things are done. So you take the snap, huh, Monica?
Done, sir.
Send to our group. Yeah, Farabi. Where is Farabi? Hello, Farabi.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Farabi?
Sir, fine.
So, are you understanding the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so keep your microphone on. Don't be muted. You should also take part in discussion. Now, question 13 is done. Then 14, she is right. 15. 15, another tricky question. Man, numerical tricky. Okay, so you have sine I by sine R 1.52, right? How much is
Mm-hmm.
coming? Can you check? It's coming how much? N equals sine I by sine R. N equals sine 40 degree divided by sine 25 degree. How much it is?
1.5.
1.5 only or 1.52?
1.52.
Yes, 1.52. Okay. So this is your uh, refractive index here. Now you can find the refractive index from that is speed also, right? That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by other speed, right? Any other speed. So we understand that C and D will not be the answer because the ratio will be less than 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because the ratio we got, that is vacuum of uh, the speed of the light in vacuum and the speed in other medium, right? So that is the formula. And now we have the speed of light 3, but the others C and D, they are giving 4.6, 4.8, so we cannot take them because it's not coming even more than 1, isn't it? Less than 1 is coming, so we will skip them. And now we'll concentrate in A and B. So you take the ratio 3 by 1.9, 3 by 2, what is closer to this value? Power will automatically will cut, right?
Uh-huh.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, so what is the answer then? You see, which one is
A.
coming? If you take 3 by 1.9, what is the answer? Check.
3 by 1.59.
1.5,
1.57.
57, and another one 3 by 2. How much it is coming?
1.5.
So which one is closer? 57 is
Mm,
closer, or 1.5 is closer.
1.5.
So which one will take? A you'll take or B will take?
B.
Yes. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So what about others? Mahi and Farabi, did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have here the ratio n equals 3 by 2, right? Equals 1.5, which is closer to 1.5. That's why we are taking this. 10 to the power 8 automatically cut in ratio, isn't it? Then we are having 16. 16 is easy, right? Very easy. They are saying which diagram shows a ray of light incident at the critical angle on the glass boundary. So if it is in critical angle, then what will be the angle of refraction? What should be the angle of refraction? Angle of refraction will be 90 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Monica? So which one is showing you angle of refraction? This one, right?
C.
Isn't it? 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
So at critical angle, angle of refraction should be 90 degree. At critical angle, if
Oh.
at critical angle is always angle of incidence, isn't it? At critical Angle, angle of this one you know, right? This one you know, right, Monica?
Yes, sir.
There is nothing there is nothing here you don't know. Everything you know. At critical angle, angle
Sometimes my brain read the question too much.
angle of refraction. Okay, no problem. It is first time. Angle of refraction is 90 degree.
I think I just read the question that it's more than critical angle, and so
Oh,
I did total
you
angle reflection.
you maybe are thinking that.
My brain reads too much.
So this one also is sent, huh?
Okay. Then
Then next, this one. This one is a tricky question. This one is really hard question. You have to analyze this question for a long time. Then you can get it. So they are asking you here several different values of I and R measured, right? A graph is drawn of sine I against sine R. So one thing we know here, that is uh, light is traveling from rarer to denser medium. So your ratio will be like that. Your I is greater, R is smaller, right?
yes, sir.
So if your I is greater, if you are taking the sine of I, the value will get. If you are taking sine R, the value will get always sine I will be greater, right? Because the maximum
Yes,
value
sir.
of sine is 90. Maximum value of sine we get at sine 90 degree, and minimum value of sine we are getting at sine 0 degree, isn't it?
Mhm.
So always your sine I value will be greater than sine R in this case, isn't it? Because light is traveling from rarer to denser medium. Always R is smaller than I. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you think that way, we are writing it sine as light is traveling from rarer to denser, sine I is always greater than sine R. So we can skip. Look, in B and C, Bangladesh and China, these two answers you see, they are showing in a way that if you are increasing sine R, then sine I is decreasing, which is completely wrong, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh, if you increase R, value of R, I will also increase, isn't it? So these two are matching with A and D, America and Dhaka. First, so we'll focus America and Dhaka now. Bangladesh and China will skip. Now you compare with America and Dhaka. Look, in Dhaka, what they gave the value zero point 0.5, if the value of sine r is 0 0.5, the value of sine I is coming 0.25, right? Almost 0.25 or very close to that. That means in Dhaka they are showing sine I is smaller, sine R is greater. So it is also wrong, isn't it? According to our this
Yes, sir.
statement. According to our this statement, sine I always greater than sine R. That is only matching with A. America. Look here, sine I value for sine R. If it is sine R 0.5, you go sine I is here greater than 0.5, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I'm drawing here, then it will be more clear to you. Only here is happening. Look, we are getting greater value of sine I in A, but here we are getting a smaller value of sine I. Is it clear? These two are
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
completely wrong concepts, so we are skipping this one at the beginning. So our answer is A. So it is a too much thinking level you need, right? Your thinking level should be very much high for this question. Is it clear? You have to analyze step by step. Then you can get the answer of this question. So is it clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So are you understanding that we have the questions? We can make the questions very difficult, and we can make the questions very easy, right? For you, we can make
Yes,
medium questions for you. So the more difficulty level questions we are giving you, you are becoming more stronger, right? Even in
yes,
worksheet,
sir.
we got lots of difficult questions. So you have to analyze them, then correct your mistakes. Then it will be helpful for you. Now, Monica, send it. I will resend you. I will resend your script. No problem. You will get it. As Farabi already got, you will also get. No problem. Always we are sending this way. Students are getting it.
Oh,
Don't worry, huh? You will get your one. I will try again tomorrow morning. Okay, this one is correct. This one is correct. The last one.
Hmm. Come.
Okay, here we go. So, can you read, Monica?
The diagram shows a ray of light incident on the boundary between two mediums, W and X. The mediums have different refractive indexes. Some light is refracted and some passes along the surface between the two mediums.
Hmm.
Angle Y is greater than angle Z. Which statement is correct?
So, here one thing we understand that uh, the angle of incidence is critical angle here, right? Because
Yes, sir.
we have here angle of refraction 90 degrees. So first we identify that one, or angle of refraction, it is 90 degrees.
Hmm?
Okay, this one is angle of refraction. It is R. Okay, and our angle of incidence is I, that is equal to critical angle, right?
Yes, sir.
As it is critical angle, that's why our angle of refraction is 90 degree. Okay, so you observe it, you try to think it. So it is our angle of incidence which is critical, and this one is weak reflected ray, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Weak reflected ray. So if it is weak reflected ray, it's following law of reflection, right?
Yes, sir.
Weak reflected ray follow law of reflection. Follows law of reflection. So if it is following law of reflection, then our C will be equal to Y. Then C is our critical angle, right?
Yes,
C
sir.
equals Y we can write. That means this angle Y is equal to critical angle, right? Y
Mm-hmm.
is equal to critical angle. Y is equal to critical angle. It is given in A or A and C. Then W has a greater refractive index than X. X has a greater refractive index than W. So what we know about critical angle to be happened, we need the light should travel from rarer to denser medium or denser to rarer medium.
Denser to rarer medium.
Okay, we write that one denser to,
Rarer
or
medium.
light should travel from denser to rarer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So you are saying me everything. You know everything, right? So I'm writing it here. Rarer medium. Okay, now uh, you also know that where the refractive index is more, in lighter medium refractive index more or denser medium refractive index more. In which medium refractive index is more? You know that, right?
Denser.
Yes, refractive index is always more in denser medium. So write also that here. Refractive index is more in denser medium. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So you can have your answer now, right? Which one is your answer?
Oh my God.
Hmm? A or C? From,
Um,
from this information, now you can get your answer. Which one is your answer? Now, yes. Which one is your answer now? Hello?
yes, sir.
A or
Mm,
C?
C.
C. C for correct, right? Mahi. Hello,
Yes,
Mahi.
sir.
Yes. Have you understood it?
No, yes, sir.
Have you understood it? Still, you have any doubt? Tell me. Yeah, Monica,
Yes,
send it
sir.
to group. Send it to group, please. Yeah, thank you. Now, Mahi, tell me, you have any doubts here? Mahi,
Sir, I can't hear you properly.
yeah, you have any doubts here?
No, sir.
You understood it clearly, and
Yes,
it's
sir.
in our group. So we will continue after 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, sir.
You join
Yes,
after
sir.
10 minutes. Thank you.